Bingo Cash game lists can fail to refresh when the app is holding outdated information. And completely restarting the app is the first fix to try. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the Bingo Cash game list, what to check if games are still missing, and when to contact support instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app. Start by completely closing Bingo Cash. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Bingo Cash away. On Android, open recent apps and remove Bingo Cash from the list. Then launch the app again and check the game list. If the games appear after restarting, the problem was limited to the information loaded by the app. You can continue using Bingo Cash normally. If the list is still missing games, check the App Store or Google Play for an available Bingo Cash update. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the app updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Install the update, reopen Bingo Cash, and check the game list again. Updating the app does not remove your account, progress, or balance. Next, check your internet connection. The available game list can depend on information being loaded from Bingo Cash's servers, so a weak or interrupted connection can prevent the list from refreshing correctly. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and reopen Bingo Cash. If you're using mobile data, try a stable Wi-Fi connection instead. Also check whether the missing game is actually available to your account. Bingo Cash offers different games, tournaments, and features, and availability can depend on factors such as location or eligibility. If you're looking for a specific tournament, check the game's eligibility and availability rather than assuming the missing listing is an app error. If the game list remains unchanged, take a screenshot of the screen showing the missing games. If a particular tournament or game should be available, include its name and any information shown about it. Don't create another Bingo Cash account just to test whether the missing games appear there. Your existing account contains your game information, so troubleshooting should stay on the account where the problem occurred. If you've restarted the app, installed the latest update, checked your connection, and confirmed that the game should be available, contact Bingo Cash support. Send them the screenshot, the name of the missing game or tournament, and the steps you already tried. This gives support enough information to investigate the specific listing. So the practical fix is, restart Bingo Cash, update it, test your connection, and confirm the missing game is actually available to your account. Your next step is to completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it before changing your account settings. If this fixed your Bingo Cash game list, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.